let's get started. Firstly, I just want to let you know that if you intend to use the obstacle avoidance feature, make sure you attach it before you set up the drone. Firstly, you're going to make sure the drone's battery is fully charged, the obstacle avoidance system is attached, and the drone's battery is intact and properly secured. Next, you're going to turn on the drone simply by pushing this button. You'll hear a sound, and these lights flash, meaning it's in binding mode. It wants to bind with the controller. In order to bind, you're going to turn the controller on. Now you see the lights have stopped flashing, which means the binding process between the drone and the controller are done. Now the drone is actually ready to fly with just the controller. You'll simply push up on the stick and the propellers will start spinning. So you just need to push up on the controller and off you go. Okay, now what we're going to do is prepare the drone application. There's two ways of doing that. Either you can go to your specific App Store or Google Play Store and search for the Wi-Fi UAV app, or the drone comes with this little handy booklet and it gives you a QR code that you can scan in order to download the app, which will give you the Wi-Fi UAV app. I'm all over the place, just like that. Okay, next what we're going to do is connect our phone to the drone's Wi-Fi app. Make sure the drone is on. And make sure your mobile data is turned off. It just helps prevent interference during the process. Then what you're going to do is go to your settings, go to connections, go to Wi-Fi, and it will scan, and it will come up with a Wi-Fi source, which will be something along the lines of Flow 4K. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to click on that, and it's checking the quality of your internet connection. Now it's connected. What happens is the drone actually gives out its own Wi-Fi source, and you connect to that in order to utilize the drone. Now, what you're going to do next is you have to launch the Wi-Fi UAV app. So you're going to open the app on your phone, and if prompted, agree to the user agreement and the privacy policy. When asked, make sure you grant all the necessary permissions for the application to function. So now I've already done that, so we're going to turn it on. And I guess I have allow only we're using drone, start, and then you wait until you can actually see the camera's image on your phone. That indicates the drone application is successfully connected and ready to use. And also, just to mention, if the camera feed doesn't show after you press the start button, press the back button and then press the start button again to reload the app, and it should appear. Also, a recommended note, after using the drone, make sure you remove the battery if you're not going to be flying it again soon, and then charge the battery to at least 30 to 100% to preserve its battery's lifespan. Have fun flying and have a good day.